Good morning. It is Friday the 31st, and tomorrow I am going to be moving out of my apartment. It's been a good run. There's no tear. I already started packing a little bit. I just wanted to give you guys like a little apartment tour. Y'all can see how it feels to live in an 18-bedroom studio apartment mansion loft condo in the city of
Nacogdoches.
I'll go ahead and I'm gonna give y'all just a little ghetto tour. Just a little ghetto one right here. A little ghetto. Okay, so here we have my door and my keys. You walk in and you see this was my little artist corner. I have a few pieces. I did this one when I was in high school, and I did this one like I think it was last summer. But this was my bookshelf. You know, I have my sage and my Palo Santo and my Yerba Santa and my Germex because we were in a pandemic. And then I have, you know, my little change. Those are all of my little tips and everything. And this is my man. His name's Curtis. And this is my camera because I do be filming. This is my plant, Yolanda. I love Yolanda. She's very nice to me. We have great conversations. Here goes my easel. Sometimes I sit here in my little chair and I just stare at myself. This is a picture that my friend Nairi took. And then this is a custom piece that I made. That's Nairi. The very first like piece that I ever did. Here goes my closet. This was my closet. This is some more art stuff. This was a project that I did in my graphic design class. I ain't trying to flex or nothing, but it's cute. So this is the wall that you guys have been seeing. It's just pieces of paper. And I took color theory, so I was like, let me try to make it flow and vibe and I took all of these pictures myself. I drew this. I couldn't even tell you when. All of my friends, as you can see, all of them, those four are the same. And you see this one, this one, this one. So I obviously have an aesthetic. This, a mess. Over here in this little corner, besides my trash can, I have a bucket of just snacks. Because I'll show you my kitchen. I don't really have like cabinet space. I live in a studio mansion apartment condo loft, so I don't really have the cabinet space. But this is my favorite addition. It's a cozy basket. Every time I have all of my thousands and thousands and thousands of friends come over, if they get cold, I don't want to hear their mouth. So I just have 6 blankets plus this blanket. That's my favorite one. That's why it's out. Plus that blanket, and that one on top, that's a pillow. This one on the bottom, that's a body pillow. Here goes my TV. You know, PS4 because I am not ugly. Xbox is ugly. I am not ugly. Xbox is ugly. I'm not ugly. Now we have my favorite thing. It is just a body mirror. Don't judge me. Don't shame my body. I will fight you. I stare at myself constantly. So it's good to have something that just helps me be conceited. Here goes my bed, but you don't need to look at that. I was gonna show the bathroom, but then what do you need to look at my toothbrush for? Okay, kitchen. I put this on the wall because I am a chef. You know, this is all the cabinet space that I have, which is why I also have this over here, which is a bread basket. I'm moving out, so I don't have much bread. And this is like a little banana holder, but I don't have any bananas right now, so that's just there as well. This is one of my favorite things. It's just a little turntable for my spices because I don't have cabinet space and it has to go on top of my fridge. But quick little apartment tour, quick little jajang so y'all can see. Oh, let me show you guys. Hold on. This bad boy gets me musty. I'm gonna show you guys whenever it's dark. My apartment's gonna look real different whenever I cut. But I just want to show you guys, like, I be vibing. You get what I'm saying? You get my drift? Like, it gets rich. Like, my favorite are the blues and this red. Yeah, this is gonna sound horrible. There's nothing in this apartment, so the echo tremendous. This is it. This is nothing. As clean as when I moved in. That's as clean as whenever I moved in, if not cleaner. I'm gonna miss this little apartment. I'm gonna miss my little studio. But we're moving on to bigger and better things. Apartment 71. I ain't even scared to let y'all know. I ain't gonna be here no more. Y'all can come here as much as you want. You can find some good light. Hold on. And I ain't never coming back.